Dear viewer, how are you everybody? I hope that you are well. Today I'm going to discuss about 100% polyester double lacost fabric that required GSM is 250 gram. Yeah, need 300 linear polyester and 144 filament. Need be here. So here you can see the cam arrangement of the double lacoste fabrics and for knitting of this fabric still need 3.20 both neat and tack. During a knitting grade I need to keep a 188 centimeter. During knitting grade I need to keep 188 cm and grade GSM need to keep 218 grams. During polyester fabric knitting end tension I need to keep high than a cotton fabric. Higher than a cotton fabric. Heat set. After heat set we get 170 centimeter. After heat set GSM 240. For heat set parameter is there. Temperature is 185 degree centigrade. Overfeed is 10%. And speed is 30 meter per minute. Speed is 30 meter per minute. After dyeing we need to dry this fabric and standard, and then we run it in compacting machines. After compacting the 164 centimeter and after compacting GSM 248 gram we get here. After quality check we get the shrinkage and spirality equal to minus 2.7 minus 1.4 and spirality 1% is here. Hello viewer, if you like this video you can subscribe my channel and press bell button to see the next videos about knitting and finishing.